You want to look? Yeah, go ahead, look.
Daddy, there's something shiny.
What? No. You are my lucky charm.
Yay. And I'm gonna guard these, okay?
You're gonna guard them?
Yeah.
Okay, you guard those. Well guys, happy 2025. Check this out guys. My daughter found the Audi and I found another Lamborghini Huracan for the collection. We already made room so we can put them up here. So we'll go ahead and put the Lamborghini right next to the other. And then my daughter's Audi right up here. Talk about freaking cool, guys. Now, when we went there, we saw that it was a full bin, fresh drop for sure. And then, of course, finding the treasure hunt, that was kind of a giveaway. And then when I found the Lamborghini, dude, that was like, man. And then she found that one, like, out of all things, my daughter finds her first super treasure hunt. So that is definitely staying in the collection. Very cool way to start out 2025. So hopefully you all had a great and happy new year and are finding some good stuff. So aside from scoring 2 supers and 2 regular treasure hunts, which I already opened and threw in my jammer, we also picked up a new M2 for the collection, 1/24 scale of the 1966 GT350. Here we go. Beautiful pink. You have the Shelby Racing Team on there, the 86 Meatball, and the Cherry Coke Deco. Freaking awesome. And yeah, glad I got this. I did miss out on the Chase, which there is a 750 piece. But with that story, guys, there was actually a new drop for the area. Some guy, maybe a trucker, because he said he went to 75 Walmarts. I don't know how true that is. But he asked to bring some stuff out. They brought him out the boxes. He opened them all up and he walked away with 8 chases from the 1/24 scale M2 at 25 bucks a piece is ridiculous. So my gut tells me that he's a reseller, scalper, whatever label you want to call him. That is what it is. I mean, he said that he was frustrated because every Walmart he went through was picked through. And does that really justify that when you finally come across a fresh stock like that, that you have to take all 8 chase pieces? Does that? You guys let me know down in the comments. Do you think that is fair just because you've been missing out, and once you get your hands on them that you should just take them all because it is your way to get back at missing out on them? I mean, I don't think so. So we did miss out on the Chase Shelby GT350, but we do have the mainline in the collection. So after Walmart this weekend, I also went to the Traders Market to go support my buddy Bob. And I mention him all the time. He has some really good customs, wheel swaps, and he does sell cars for $2 a piece. 5 packs for $5, 3 packs for $3. But we did get a bag full of stuff, guys. Check this out. Another 2018 release 5-pack. This is the Fast Responders, which I had never seen before. And I grabbed it for the Mustang. Here we go. Concept Mustang in a satin maroon. Very cool finish. Never seen that release. And of course, if it's a multi-pack exclusive, definitely going to grab it. You also have the Tahoe. You have the helicopter, you have the wildlife rescue, and a storm pursuit, which is kind of cool. So if you want the actual names, you got the Hot Wheels Pursuit, Rescue Duty, the 07 Chevy Tahoe, and Island Hopper. And of course, Mustang GT Concept. Scored this one from Bob, and then the rest are loose customs. And yeah, let's go ahead and dive into it. Oh, and we also got this bad boy. Check this out. This was actually one I did not have in the collection or in this color. We have a 1969 Shelby GT 350 Fastback, and that is awesome. This one is wicked cool. I mean, I love the color, love the wheels. You got the white stripe running down the side, and of course the three-dimensional running tri-bar. So this is a Krager exclusive because it's got some Krager wheels on it. Very freaking cool, man. The Fastback, most of the ones I have in the collection are either convertibles. I think I have some over here. These are my Johnny Lightning era. We also have some Johnny Lightnings up here. But yeah, most of them, like the 68s, those are all convertibles. And that one right here is the first GT 350 Fastback. So 2 Shelbys added to the collection. And then right here, guys, these are his wheel swaps. Some of them are custom painted, but this right here is the 2000 and I believe it's 2012 GT 500 in Silver Flake Metallic. And he did a really nice Real Rider wheel swap on it. I mean, very clean. Look at that. Gosh, man, this thing is awesome. I don't think I have this carded. If I do, it's going to be up in this area, which I don't even see it on card. So I might not even have this one. Here we go. Beautiful GT 500. He also did the headlights black. I mean, this thing is wicked. Such a beauty. So we got this one. We also got the Fox body from the Modern Classics, guys. This was a premium on card. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I finally got this. And it's in really good condition. It is a pearl white, which you can barely see. It looks like a white enamel, but it is a pearl white. You got to the premium wheels, metal on metal. And yeah, this thing is awesome. Look at the details. You got the iced out license plate, the SVO badge. This one right here is gorgeous. And I mentioned it on the latest release of the 60 year that white one was just wicked and probably the best one. Well, I did not account for this one. So this is actually really, really detailed. I mean, those wheels are freaking sweet. So grabbed this one, finally got that one in the collection. See, next up we have another one. This is a wheel swap with some details. This one is the custom, I want to say it's a 2013 wide body. I think that's what it is, metal on metal as well. Custom Mustang, but based off of the taillights, which he detailed, I think this is a 2014. There you go, you got the number on the side. 2014 wide body Mustang. He detailed the headlights, the lower fogs. He even added some black on the front to make the hood scoops look functional. I mean, this thing looks wicked. Look at that, white on white, man. That is just super fresh. So yeah, even if I had it, if it's a custom or a wheel swap, definitely wanted to bring it home. We also have this one right here. It looks like a Boss 302. And I couldn't tell if this was Johnny Lightning. No, it's not Johnny Lightning because of the tooling. Green light maybe? I don't know, but look at that. Beautiful red Boss 302, man. Gosh, that thing is nice. But yeah, it doesn't have the typical base that Johnny Lightning or even Greenlight. Maybe it's Auto World. If you guys know or have any info, let me know down in the comments. But it has DeBoss for the license plate. Really nice details on this one. Look at that, man. This is awesome. So, of course, Bob was like, hey, be here next weekend. I'm bringing some Mustangs I'm pretty sure you don't have. And for the most part, he was accurate because, you know, wheel swaps and all that stuff, I love more than just finding a regular. Then from M2, we have the orange gasser. This one I think I do have in the collection already, but orange metallic. You have the gold wheels on here. Super cool looking. You have the Ford oval on the back, white stripe. And I want to say I have one. Well, no, that's the pony up. Hold on, let me see. Do we not have a plain Jane orange one? I don't think we do. No, we don't. We have one with a black hood. That one's actually pretty cool. 65 gasser. No, unless he removed the tampos, but I highly doubt that. Well, maybe. Looks like it's got the same wheels. It might be. But he said he didn't do anything to it. That is awesome. This is actually new then. If it is, or at least a cooler custom variation of it, just a plain Jane, no pony up deco. Man, that looks so good. You guys let me know what your thoughts are on the gassers from M2. A lot of people judge them just because they're not really good rollers, but I'm in it for the quality, the cars that they make. I mean, they make some really good Mustangs, and a lot of them. I mean, apparently almost every episode we have an M2 being featured, and then we got more right here. Next up, this is a custom that he did, and oh my gosh, guys. Look at how beautiful this is. He said he did this about 4 years ago. Look at that gunmetal gray premium wheels. He did the tail lights. Dude, this is like almost Eleanor to the T. Look at that, man. Gosh, that is nice. And I have a lot of custom 67 GT500s, which this one is the 67. We have them all in there. And then, of course, the ones that have been out on card. I mean, we have some really good ones and heavy hitters in the collection. We got this really nice pearlescent purple. We got the red, the gold one, which was the ultra hot, the yellow, white, this Walmart exclusive. We even had the Flame series. They had some really good ones, but man, when it comes to a custom, this is just, oh my gosh, this is my favorite one. It is just a beauty. Look at that, guys. Comment down below your thoughts on this. Not only that, he did another one in the same color, which is right here. This is the 67, I think it is, or 68. Look at that, guys. Another GT500 that he did in that gunmetal gray. Oh my gosh, man, that is so nice. Let me just double check. I want to say it's a 67, 68. Yep, 67 GT500. We have them in many colors, wheel variations, the blue and whites, the green. Man, there's a lot of GT500s that have been out, but this one, as far as a custom goes, he did an amazing job on the color choice. Even the wheels, chrome 10 spokes, very nice. Next up is another M2, and this one I wasn't sure if I had. It looked familiar. M2 with the maroon and gold C-stripe. This is a 68 fastback, which it says, yep, 68 Ford Mustang. And yeah, out of M2, and I don't have this colorway in the collection at all. Even when it comes to the carded ones or even the lift series, I did not have this one, so this was another good one to add. It's very close to like the Johnny Lightning that came out, the 68 right here. They all had the C-stripe for the most part in whatever color, red, white, silver. This one's gold. Just a beautiful addition right here. And my man, he did the Dark Horse. So here we go. This prevented me from doing one. I've been wanting to do a wheel swap. He threw on some black and chrome torque thrust. Look at those bullets. Man, this looks good. This is definitely a phenomenal mainline that came out for 24. The GTD, I still want to grab another one. I only have one in the collection because I do want a wheel swap one. But this, man, that looks great, especially with the details that already come on it. Gosh, that is, man, Bob does some really good work. And of course, me supporting him definitely goes a long way with his health and all that stuff. Next up is a 69 tuned version of the Mustang. This one are oversized wheels. They are definitely exaggerated body lines. But I love what he did with this one. It's a pearl white with blue stripes, blue interior. I think this one came on card. Yep, right here with the huge chrome OH5s. And that one is a 2007 release right there. So now we have one with pearl white and the massive, I think those were big time muscle wheels on there. But that looks so good. I mean, it fits it with the exaggerated body. Massive freaking wheels. So this is the second one I've gotten from him. The other one, his other one is actually right here. Check this out. This was actually out of the holiday set in this very nice pearl orange, pearl yellow, I don't know, but he also threw the same wheels, but were two-tone, chrome and gold. Look at that. So two of the Bob customs for the 69s. I mean, those are freaking awesome. All right, just a couple more. We have a 2020 GT500 that he did. This one too is a wheel swap with some minor details, but he threw on the white 6 spokes. Look at that. Very nice offset. He tried to do some taillight details which I'll probably touch up and redo those just so they can look crisp. But I think the wheels overall look amazing. There was another one I had bought from him probably a couple years ago now, which was this one right here, the GT350 that he did wheels on. I think this was another one. I think this one right here was another one that we got, or this was from Pia Vang. I think that was from Pia. Can't remember. So here we go. Another custom. Actually, no. His other one I think is sitting over here. Where is it at? Right here. This one. I think this one's his. Someone sent me one of each basically. So this looks like Bob's. Yeah, he does that glue. So we got the gray 10 spoke or 8 spokes on this one. And now we have more of a color matched one, especially with the white wheels. I think it offsets it very nice and just ties it all together. And then the next one is a Shelby that he just did a wheel swap on. Check this out. Wheels just do a whole lot of justice on certain castings. Actually, for the most part, on every casting, premiums just really do it well. I mean, this is probably one of my favorite Cobra 427s, the black with red stripes. I mean, it's always been one of my favorite looks when it comes to a color setup, especially because it just looks so menacing in black and red. So we got this one, and then the last one, guys, this one I had never seen before, and this is also from M2, and it is a 60, I think it's a 68. Look at this color. This is just gorgeous. Satin lime green. Look at the wheels that are on that, man. That is a super clean 2-piece wheel right there. You got the rivets. It's kind of a silver with a gold. And of course you have the Achilles wheels on there that match the color of the car. Look at this Shelby, man. This one is a 1968. God, this is probably my favorite 68 that M2 has done. Look at that setup, guys. Man, I am telling you, this color, we had just seen it come out on the 65 or 66 Mustang, and I'm glad to see that they had done it before on the 68, because this one is just gorgeous. Very nice. So here we go, guys. Awesome haul from Bob over at the Traders Market. I mean, the Johnny Lightning 69 GT350. We have the multi-pack just for the concept Mustang out of the First Responders in 2018. We have a lot of really cool wheel swaps, 2 beautiful recolors of custom paint for the Shelbys right here. And then, of course, new from M2, the 124 scale GT350. So that is all we have for this episode, guys. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And as always, comment down below your thoughts on anything we picked up, what your opinions are for the wheel swaps and customs. And then, of course, finally getting this hard to find Fox body out of the premium modern classics. Yeah, just finally adding this one to the collection. So that is all we have. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future episodes. And until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.